today? I am fine, thank you. I'm excited. Today is Wednesday, which means it's Science Day. I love Science Day. So first of all, let's welcome in the day together and then we can get on with our science experiment. Okay, do you have your son? Your son or your son or your son? Ready? Let's go. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Ms.Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what morning is it? What day is it today? Let's take a look at the calendar. If yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, it means today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And it is the last day of the month. It's nearly July. Can you help me, please? There's lots of numbers to count. Ready? Deep breath in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Today is Wednesday, June 31st. Hoy es el miércoles, el 31 de junio. But wait, wasn't there a rhyme that reminded us of the amount of days in all of the months? I think June was one of those special months. Can you help me, please? Let's try it again. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 days except February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 every leap year. It is not the 31st of June today. It is the 1st of July. Today is Wednesday, July 1st. Hoy es el miércoles, el 1 de julio. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like with you today? Well, here with me, it is nice and sunny today. It's also hot, very hot. So I'm going to use the word hot, but you choose the word that you would like to use, an adjective to describe the weather. Hot, warm, cold, breezy, windy. And we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and hot was the weather. H-O-T, 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 and hot was the weather. My friends, we have a super fun science experiment today. I started off thinking we would do our science experiment on velocity. Now, velocity is actually a little bit of a complicated thing. Many people think it's just the speed of something. Velocity is actually the rate at which an object changes position. So, for example, if an object is going back and forth, but it always returns to its original position, it has speed, but it actually has no velocity. You see? So for our older friends, we can go a little bit more into velocity by measuring and using a formula to measure our experiment of velocity, and I will show you how to do that, and I'll put a link in the description to the formula. But for our younger friends, and for everyone to have a bit of fun with it first, we are going to look at the actual speed of two objects at a time, and we are going to make a hypothesis. We are going to think about which object is going to go the fastest when starting from the same position at the same height. Let me show you what we're going to do. So for our first experiment today on speed, we are going to use a toy car, a toy racing car actually, and a ball. Which one do you think will go faster? Why? Let's have a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. The car! try another one. We have a wooden golf ball and again a chew ball. Which one do you think will go faster? Why? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! The wooden golf ball. Now you don't need to have a wooden slide like this. Let's try it with cardboard. Let's try again with the ball in the car. And all I did was cut out some cardboard I had from a cardboard box and tape it on. Now I'm taping it onto this climbing stand that I have, but you can tape it onto anything. You can rest it on top of another cardboard box, actually would be fine. Let's try again with the car and the ball. Do you remember from last time which went faster? What do you think is going to happen? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! If you're enjoying figuring out the speed of each object, thinking about which is going to go faster and which is going to go slower, and you want to know a little bit more about it and actually start thinking about velocity and formulas, then I'm going to put a really wonderful link to a website and to a little more detailed explanation about velocity and how you can work that out in your own home. I hope that you watch it. The link is in the description and I would love to see what you come up with. I could do this all day. What else can I go and find? How much fun was that? And did you see, you don't need to have a wooden plank or a wooden slide in your house. You can do it with cardboard. You can even do it with toilet roll holders or kitchen roll holders. You just have to have something small enough to put inside, as long as you always start them at the same height. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you are not a member of our Facebook page, please go and look in the description for the link to the group, because it's a place where we have a community and we share our pictures and thoughts and ideas, and I would love to see what you did. So let's end with our fast and slow rhyme. Are you ready? Hands together. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Let's do some fast and slow pranayama breathing. Okay? We'll breathe in on the fast and out on the slow. Are you ready? Shoulders up and down in our back pockets. May we have peace in our minds. May we have peace in our words. May we have peace in our hearts. May we have peace in our homes. May we have peace in the world. Thank you so much, my friends. Remember, hit that red subscribe button. Come back tomorrow because we are making a waterfall in gardening. I can't wait to see you.